Hello and welcome once more to another video here on my channel. I'm a bit sick today, as you can probably hear in my voice. It's a bit off, I'm a bit darker in my sound, and my nose is just like, I don't know, it's just, a mine of some sort. Today I want to talk about 4 different websites that I use here and there when I look for exploits. Alright, so the very first one, and no names need to be spoiled that much, it is called the Exploit DB. Most of you guys already know it. You go ahead and just put your name, your search query inside the search field here to the right side, and I'm going to zoom in a bit on it so you can see what I mean. There we have it. I'm going to go ahead and type like something like WordPress, press enter, and it's going to bring you different kind of WordPress exploits. What you need to verify is the different kind of dates there are, and if the thing is a sort of author you need to go for. If you zoom out a bit, you can see that they are either not verified or verified. So go ahead and look for something that is verified. Sometimes that can be a very good idea. ExploitDB have a really large variety of different kind of exploits, fitting for most of the cases. When you click it, it's gonna be in Python. This particular exploit here is not in Python. It's a proof of concept. It's a POC. As you can see here down below, it says proof of concept. That is what POC stands for. And then it kind of tells you to do this kind of thing down below. So you need to capture this, HTTP request. It's a post request to this particular page here, and exactly what it is, but you can follow the step-by-step instruction and you will get it. Another very interesting site you can go ahead and check out is the one called Packet Storm Security. It's more like a community, exploit the possibilities. The about is about that you can read about different kind of, these times you made your data breach occurs on a daily basis, important for the personal interest user and government to stay aware of vulnerabilities and so on and so on. So go ahead and just check it out, and I never really use it that much. I did check it out here and there, but you can go ahead and, to search bar and type WordPress one more time, for example. And you will get different kind of, WordPress version, PHP object injection, and you will get a somewhat the same, introduction and instruction as ExploitDB. Another one that is kind of good for you is the one called Google Dogging. They have securitytrails.com. It's well, it's not Google's, but at least I don't think it is. It will tell you how to do different kind of things, like, finding OpenFTP servers, weather stuff, live cameras, email list, and so on. So we're going to just look for SSH private keys. And then basically, it will show you if this worked. There we have it. You can type something like this, in Google. So it says intitle index.of IDUSI, IDRSA, tag IDRSA.pub, and then basically you can just put it in and see what it finds. This is going to be quite easy for a demonstration, but I'm not sure how ethical it's going to be for me to show it, so I'm not going to do it. But this is definitely something you could do. And if you're doing a pen test for a company, remember to put in the site colon filter, so you only look for a particular site. The last one of the more nerdy ones, called survey.today. It's a bit more nerdy website, but it really works. You can go ahead and check out different kind of things here. You can check out, different kind of exploits and stuff. Let's go ahead and look for WordPress one more time. So you're gonna zoom in now and look for different kind of things here in exploits. See amount the risk, and You can click download related to CVE, it's verified whether it's free or not, and the author is Metasploit. And that kind of tells you that this is a Metasploit exploit, so if you go ahead and just check it out, click it, and and go to open here. I'm sorry you couldn't see that, but there's a called open exploit. It's free, verified by sudo admin. And you can see this is a Metasploit written in Ruby. Module you can put directly in. Now you need to do that, of course, but yeah. So this kind of wraps it up for the 4 different, exploit databases you can use. There are more than these, but I think these are quite good. I would say that the one that I used more or less every time I do something on TryHackMe or Hack the Box is gonna be ExploitDB. Also keep in mind that TryHackMe and TryHackMe and Hack the Box are made for being intentional vulnerable, so you shouldn't be checking too much out on the dark web, or not that any of the sites that I show you is on the dark web, but I'm just telling you that you shouldn't have to do that. So I really hope you learned something from this video. You can use the sites, and I really hope you understand what I'm saying, even though that I'm a bit sick today. So I just want to say have a really nice day, and see you again online, and happy hacking. Wow.